hello, sweet cakes.
Hi, baby cakes. How you doing?
Oh, Lord. I'm fine. How you?
Good, but why are you wearing them glasses?
Oh, it's better to see you, my dear.
Okay.
Yeah, and you wait. I know Corey is going to be somewhere this weekend. What did he say? Oh, Corey!
God, screaming.
Yes, Nana. Where you say you're going to be this weekend?
Yeah.
I'm going to be at the Willingboro Library this Saturday. It's, I can't remember.
I think it's the 30th, right?
Yeah, that's right. April 30th. This Saturday. You didn't clear
Yeah, this Saturday.
Oh, yeah, this Saturday. We're doing the whole presentation. Corey Conquers COVID. Come on, boys and girls. Come on out to the Willingboro Library.
Yes.
Yeah, come on. We'd like to see your face. I can see you now.
We would love
Lord.
to see you there.
Well, you just be quiet. Nobody asked you nothing.
What did you say?
Oh, never
Now you always starting stuff. You always be starting stuff. No, wait.